Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Quillbot. Quillbot is amazing. It helps you paraphrase your very extended writing content. So let us get into it. You can see over here right at the top they do offer a premium. However, we're going to just jump into the free version because you can do pretty much everything with that free version. So right over here, quillbot.com, this is their homepage, and you can see over here one of the features is the paraphraser, right? So it says spice up your writing and get a fresh perspective. Let's tap on that. Now it takes you here to this page, and you can see that quite naturally you would enter your text in on the left hand side. You can upload a document, or you can just paste the text over here, and then it'll come out on this side over here, depending on what model you choose up over here. We're going to go through that. So let's first enter some text. Okay, so I've just got some sample text. I have an article about how artificial intelligence can change the world in a positive way and in a negative way. Okay, so I use this specifically so that we could have a bit of a mix in terms of the kind of content. All right, so if I go ahead over here, if I tap on standard, it rewrites the text with new vocabulary and also new word order, right? So that is what it's going to do now. If you go ahead and tap on paraphrase, it's going to go ahead and generate this over here. Now, as you can see, it has started to go ahead and paraphrase. So it's basically changing word order because what it wants to do is avoid plagiarism. So again, if you want to go ahead and change the model that it's using, right over here at the top it says modes, and here once you hover your cursor over any one of these, it'll tell you what that mode does. So it improves the clarity and the readability of the text. So let's select that one, and then you can go ahead and you can see the example of that. Okay, now again, you want to go ahead and look over natural. And again, if you tap on that, it'll start to give you some examples. Now, all of the rest of these modes are in actual fact part of the premium package. So you can use the standard and the fluency without having the premium package. But this is basically how it works. So what you want to do is you want to enter in your words over here, your content, and then also just take note that you've got 125 words. All right, so as you can see over here, you've got about 1,000 characters that they give you, and you can now enter this text in. So if you've got text that's longer than that, you can just do it in smaller pieces if you don't want to go ahead and sign up for the premium. But that is basically how it's going to work. You can also choose a language up over here, and as you go through, you must just of course make sure that you are reading the paraphrase that has been generated for you, because of course it is an AI generated piece of content. So you want to make sure that the content is accurate and it still keeps that foundation of what was originally in your content when you first wanted to have this paraphrased. All right, so let's not change the idea of what we're saying. We just want to say it in a different way, and we want to maybe shorten it. There we go, ladies and gentlemen. If this was helpful, you can go ahead and drop us a like. We'll see you next time. Peace.